Look, who is snoring? Maggie was a quiet, obedient girl, but putting her to bed at night was always a big problem. While everyone slept, Maggie would stay awake. Daddy would stay up with Maggie. He played with her and read stories to her every day. One night, after tucking Maggie in bed with all her dolls and teddies, he sat beside her and opened a book on fairies and read a story. Maggie was still wide awake and made him read three stories. Finally, Daddy yawned and closed the book. Go to sleep, sweetie, he said, and switched off the lights. After a while, Mama peeped into to kiss Maggie good night. Who's snoring? She wondered aloud. Shh, said Maggie. It's Daddy. He's fast asleep. Night, night. Good night.